Hello friends, welcome to my channel CRB AXOM. If you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel by clicking red subscribe button and also click on bell icon notification. Today I will show you how to make potato with fryums, aloo papar. Let's get started. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel CRB AXOM. Hope you had an amazing week. Hope you all are fit and fine. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel by clicking red subscribe button and also click on bell icon for getting all my notification. Then you never miss my all the recipes and upcoming all the videos. Those are watching my videos from the beginning, thanks to them. Today I show you one dish. The dish come from the west part of the India. Yes, this dish is famous in the Gujarat side, and I bring this dish to my CRB kitchen and giving a CRB twist. So hope you will enjoy dish recipe. See, this is a ring popper, and how to eat here? You have to just and fill the potatoes inside the popper and eat it. Have it. Crispy from this popper and full of chatpati flavor. I give this dish recipe name potato ringa aloo popper. So hope you will enjoy. If you like my video, please give your thumbs up, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel CRB AXOM. Joy AXOM. Bye bye. Thank you so much.